Hi! Today's objective is that we can interpret a multiplication equation as a comparison. So we are going to be using a place value chart to really understand what and how to group numbers and times them and what that really means. Okay, so we are going to use a place value chart. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands to do problem 1. And we're going to convert ones into a 10. So let's start by drawing a red 1. Here is 1, 1. So we have 1, 1. Now we want to times this as much to make a 10. How many ones do we need to draw to make a 10? If you said 10, you are correct. So we're going to draw 10 ones. So there's 5, and then I'm going to draw 5 more. Ooh. Perfect. So you said 1, 1, and if you times that by 10, you can bundle those 10s together. So now I'm going to bundle them together. And you're going to make it a 10. So how many 10s do you have? If you said 1, 10, you are correct. 1 10 is 10 times as much as 1, 1. Now we can do the same thing here for problem 2. Instead of doing 1s to 10s, we're going to look at 10s to 100. So let's start here. We had our green 10. How many 10s do you have?
1, 2.
You have 1 10. Now let's think about how many 10s we need to make 100s. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. So if I multiply 1 10 10 times, I'm going to get 100. So what that looks like is drawing 10 10s, just like this. And then moving my 10s now, we'll make them blue. Moving my 10s, putting them together, bundling them together, and regrouping them to make 100. So you have 100. Whoop. So what you could say is, how many hundreds do you have right now? So 100 is 10 times as much as 110. Now for problem 3, we're taking hundreds and making them into 1,000. I'm going to let you do this one on your own, but the idea is that 1,000 is 10 times as much as 100. We can continue on and think about it like this. 110 equals 1 1, or 110 is 10 times as much as 1 1. 100 is 10 times 110, or 100 is 10 times as much as 110. 1,000 is 10 times 100, or 1,000 is 10 times as much as 100. So problem 4, we could think of if 2 10s is 10 times as much as 2 1s, so 10 times 2 1s equals 20 1s, or 2 10s. You can represent that by drawing 2 1s, and then continuing to make 10 1s and make 10 1s. So now what you have is 1 10, 2 10. So this would regroup into 20.